You know what's worse than a loud motorcycle? Trying to enjoy a quiet Sunday morning with a loud motorcycle in the background. I've been there, and I'm pretty sure you have too. But what if I told you there's a solution that can make your Harley Touring Glide almost whisper quiet? That's right, I'm talking about the 34T Sprocket Compensator Kit, and today I'm here to share my honest review with you. So, who is this product for? It's for Harley-Davidson Touring Glide owners, specifically those who are looking to reduce the noise of their ride. We've all been there, you're cruising down the highway, enjoying the wind in your hair, when suddenly the loud whine of the compensator kicks in and ruins the whole experience. Well, this product is here to solve that problem. Let's take a closer look at what this kit has to offer. First of all, it's made of solid steel, which means it's incredibly durable and can withstand the rigors of the road. It's a one-piece design, which is great because it eliminates the need for a complete compensator assembly. And the best part? It's springless, which means it's much quieter than traditional compensators. This kit is compatible with 2007 to 2017 models, and it comes with everything you need, including the 34T sprocket and required hardware. But what does this mean in real life? Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're on a long road trip, and you're cruising down the highway with your favorite song on the radio. Suddenly, the compensator kicks in, and the loud whine is like a slap in the face. But with this kit, that noise is gone. You can enjoy your music, enjoy the scenery, and enjoy the ride without any distractions. Or imagine you're cruising through the city, and you're trying to get some work done on your phone. With this kit, you can finally do that without any distractions. So, what's my verdict? I'm really impressed with this kit. It's well made, it's quiet, and it's easy to install. There's really not much to complain about. The best thing is that it's designed specifically for Harley-Davidson Touring Glide motorcycles, so you know it's going to fit perfectly. The only downside is that it's not cheap, but if you're looking for a solution to your noisy compensator problem, I think this is definitely worth the investment. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. If you're interested in getting your hands on this kit, the link is in the description below. I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more motorcycle reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.